another episode of Cooking with Kid Troy. On today's episode, we'll be making biscotti. Now before we get into this video, don't forget to subscribe and smash that like button. Now let's get started. Alright everyone, here are our ingredients. We have clove, salt, and these two are baking powder. We have all-purpose flour, eggs, sugar, oil, almond extract. So first I'm gonna crack the eggs into here. Wow, that was easy. Ugh. Is that correct? Yeah, that's correct. Dad, do you see any shells in it?
No, I don't see any shells. So we're good.
Alright.
Alright, so now we're good. So now just mix the eggs, sugar, and oil.
Well, beat the eggs and beat the sugar
Yes.
and
Beat
oil.
the eggs, sugar, and oil in the mixing bowl.
Okay, so I'm gonna start with the eggs first. Buy eggs.
Pour it all in there.
Get it in. And then pour the sugar. Buy sugar. So, yeah, that's all. Wow, it's still clean. Then we got oil, which pours so slowly. Oh wait, never mind. Buy oil.
And pour the almond extract in it too.
Okay. Buy almond extract. So now we're gonna beat up the sugar, eggs, and oil with the almond extract. You know, just like along the way. You know, just put on maybe stuff first, and then put it on something.
Yeah, go to 2. There you go. Good job.
Oh yeah, that's beating up.
All right, let me get a close-up shot. That looks good, man. You know, I really enjoy cooking and kicking with you, man. You know that?
Yeah.
All right, that's beat up pretty well. Now we're gonna add in the flour.
Yep. Which might get a little bit messy. I don't know about that.
All right.
Now we're gonna add the dry ingredients. Just gonna dump it in here. And the all-purpose flour.
Is that all? Is that all of it? Okay, there you go.
And then just dump it in here, I guess. Or maybe just suck it up a little.
Yeah, dump that in there.
Yep. Buy flour in it. Buy all dry ingredients.
And now we're gonna mix this on low.
Yep. Alright, let me just pull it up a little bit. There we go. Okay.
So you're gonna let this mix about a minute until thoroughly incorporated.
Yeah.
It's gonna make a heavy dough, and then we're gonna divide the dough and put it on a cookie sheet that's lined with parchment paper. Okay?
Okay. Oh, it's already turning to dough. I can see.
Yeah.
Oh, it's taking all the flour too. Maybe we should probably get. Let me wait. Let's wait, and then we get. Oh, it already turned into dough.
Yeah, there you go. Yep. A few more seconds, so we'll take that off.
Uh-oh. The bowl's starting to get a little bit shaky, Daddy.
Yeah, I know it does that. All right, let's cut that off.
So now my dad's gonna remove the dough and pan it up.
Yeah, it's sticky a little bit. I'm gonna get it out. Look at that dough. See, that's how it's supposed to look.
Oh,
Let me see if I can pull it out for you.
it's like cookie dough.
Yeah, almost. See, it sticks, and we don't want that.
That's a nice nice dough than cookie dough.
Yeah, it smells great too. It's that almond extract that makes it smell so good. I love baking and cooking. You know, son, I really enjoy being in the kitchen with you. You know that?
I do know that.
Yeah, this is cool. I like to, I want to spend time with you and pass down all my recipes and stuff I've learned over the years. So I'll leave a legacy, you know what I mean? Yeah. Well, you just gonna yawn while I'm breaking it down? Is that what you're gonna do?
No, I'm serious. That was a real yawn.
I know it was a real yawn, but it was so.
I'm tired.
It was so eerie how you timed that. All right, so the dough is sticky. Uh-oh, there's a flour pocket. Look. Gotta make sure all the lumps out of there. See that little piece of flour? Get that out of there. All right, and it's sticking to my hand, so I'm gonna go ahead and get this out of here. But yeah, as I was saying, you gotta press this down about a 1/2 inch is what you wanna press, okay?
Okay.
So one big log. All right, and we're gonna bake that for about 25-30 minutes, depending on your oven. I have a convection oven, so that fan is gonna blow a little hotter, okay?
Okay.
But you know what's so cool about this, buddy?
What?
I get to spend time with you. Yeah, because you're my greatest joy.
No, you're my greatest joy.
No, you're my greatest joy.
No, you are.
No, you are.
No,
you are. No, you are. You are.
You are.
Whatever, dude. All right, let's get this in the oven.
All right. Okay, so now we're gonna bake it to 25 or 30 minutes.
Yeah.
Oh.
Open the door a little wider. That's how you burn yourself, buddy.
And I almost did.
Good job.
Oh no, it's all the way at the fan. Okay, Dad, you're gonna get it out.
So you put it in, but I'm gonna get it out? Okay.
Yeah. Okay, it's been about like 25 minutes, so let's check it. Oh, that's actually quite good.
Oh yeah, that's nice and dense. So that took about 22 minutes in the oven.
Yeah.
23 roughly. 375. That looks good. Smells good. Now we'll let this cool for about 10 minutes, okay?
Okay.
Cooking with kids right out of pans.
Yeah.
Get yours in store today. No, I'm just kidding.
Yeah. So we let it cook for approximately 15 minutes. So now we're gonna slice it and plate it.
Good job. All right, let's get busy.
Yeah. So now we're gonna slice it on a bias. Dad, what does a bias mean?
Oh, it just means to slice it at an angle. I'm gonna cut this open so you see that.
Oh.
See the inside of that? See how it's still kind of chewy or doughy on the inside, but it's very like crunchy and hard on the outside.
Yeah.
Okay.
Thick. Yeah. Oh yeah. I wanna eat that.
And also notice I'm using a serrated edge knife. This knife is very sharp, so I'm not gonna run my finger across it. But
Yeah.
you want to use a serrated knife to cut this, okay?
Yeah, Dad told me about that.
All right. So
Yeah,
I get these first two edges off. Now this is the common shape of a biscotti biscuit, so in England they call it a biscuit. So cookies are biscuits in England, in the European area.
Yeah,
Okay. You
Don't
didn't know that.
if your kids wants to cut the biscotti, don't let them do that. Because you gotta use like one of these kinds of knives, I think. Do you have
So you see how I'm cutting it at an angle? You don't have to, but you should. See, it's like a saw, so I'm sawing.
Yeah, so it's kind of like hardwood. Okay, I see. Yeah, so
Yeah.
don't let your kid try to cut a biscotti.
Slice right through this, and I'm cutting about 1.5 inches. So now I've made little biscotti biscuits. That's how a biscotti biscuit looks, okay?
Yeah, okay.
Just cut it at an angle. So you can make them angle like this, or you can have them stand straight up, but still you cut them on a bias, okay?
All right.
On a bias.
Wait a minute.
On a bias angle.
Can you turn
So
that?
now we're gonna plate this and decorate it, and I'll show you what this looking. You also, what do you serve with this?
You serve with.
You serve biscotti with coffee or tea.
Yes,
Yeah.
that told me about that. Can you turn it like this way?
This way?
Yeah. Is it? Oh my God, it is like that.
Yeah, it's at an angle.
Yo.
See?
Mm-hmm.
That's how you'll typically see biscotti cookies.
I want to go ahead and eat that one.
All right, well, let's make some coffee. And, or I don't do coffee, so let's do some hot chocolate or something.
Yeah, I do coffee though. And coffee is so delicious, even with French vanilla.
All right, well, let's go get on that.
All right. So here's our biscotti. With blueberry juice. Daddy, what are these drinks?
So this is a white chocolate leche, and this is a chai latte. Because we don't have any coffee right now, and I don't drink coffee anyway, so that's typically what I drink when I'm here.
Yeah, but coffee is delicious to me.
Yeah, I know you like coffee, but I don't have any.
But anyways, I hope you enjoyed this episode. If you did, please leave a comment below and share this video. Bye.